Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered that how you can download and install Neuron version 1.21.6 in the Windows machine. So if you want to get started with the Neuron, then you can download Neuron from the website, and then after installation you can start using it and you can start exploring it. So if you want to see the installation guide, then you can watch this video on our YouTube channel and you can install the Neuron in your Windows machine. Now in this video what we are going to do is we are going to change the default admin user password for the N3uron node. So here is my N3uron node. You can see node underscore 001 and the default username is admin and the default password is N3uron. Okay, so it's not completely N3uron. You have to type N3uron and then you have to click on login to log into that node. Now we want to change that password, so from where you can change it? So you can go to config section here. Okay, in the navigation you can go to config section under the system menu, and here you can find user and groups. So here you can see we have two user, admin and the user. So we want to change the password of the admin. Okay, so we are going to click on the admin, and here you can see the password is hidden. Okay, now if you want to change the password, then just type the password here. So I'm going to change the password to admin from the N3uron. Okay, so the username is my password, so I'm going to type admin here. Okay, then click on the white space and then save it. That's it. Okay, now you can log out from here, and you can again type your username admin and the password admin, and you can click login to log into that node. Okay, so this is how you can change your default password of the admin user in the N3uron node. I hope this thing is clear. Okay, so if you still have any question or any doubt while changing the password, then you can ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, anywhere. Also you can comment on this video. Also you can send me a mail. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear, that how you can change the login password of the admin user in the N3uron node. So we will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.